Hey guys, so today we're doing a triple camera test between the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This video is being recorded straight from the ultra-wide camera in 4K at 60 frames per second. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max packs three 50-megapixel cameras on the back. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with a triple 48-megapixel setup, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra rocks 4 cameras. This is the ultra-wide video from the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. Now, here are some photo samples, including daylight, ultra-wide, and night mode shots. Pay attention to the sharpness, contrast, and overall color tones. Some might look more vibrant, others more true to life. It all depends on what you prefer. So yeah, you guys decide which one looks best to you. Drop your thoughts in the comments and tell me which phone you think nailed it. That's it for this part of the comparison, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys in the next one.